check in with Tim Furlong once again. See him do that shark thing again. He
And
did
make
it so
that
well before.
Donna, 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 Donna.
Hey, don't freak me out. Don't freak me out. I'm just getting back in the water after years of shark fear. Just kidding about that. We're here at the Adventure Aquarium in Camden, and right now we're looking for their new tiger shark. And tiger sharks are really cool because they only keep their stripes as babies. And you know what? We have this really cool TV trick. When we don't actually see what we're looking for in the tank live, we can go to the videotape. So as we talk to Greg Charbonneau, the executive director here at the aquarium, why don't we roll that beautiful videotape of their new tiger shark as we talk to Greg. Greg, this tiger shark is very exciting for you guys here because there's one of only 3 aquariums in the country to have one, right?
Absolutely. It's a nearly threatened species. We're one of the only aquariums in the whole eastern United States that have this animal, and we're really, really excited to showcase this animal on a multitude of levels.
Yeah, and as far as like kids coming to see it, this shark is like my little boy is so into sharks. This is the real deal of sharks in terms of what they eat and all sorts of things. So you can't get a better shark than this.
Absolutely. I mean, it's an awesome animal. It's going to get really large. It has tiger stripes on it right now. It eats just about anything in the ocean. It's the shark of the shark world. It's an awesome animal.
And the tiger sharks lose their stripes as they get older, so you got to come in now to the aquarium, especially for Shark Week next week, and see the shark.
Absolutely. Now's the time to come see it. It's about 5.5 feet long, and it'll grow.
And Greg has perfect hair, but I'm going to put this cool hat on him right there anyway, and I don't mean to mess up. I know you have product just right. If you wear any sort of hat for Shark Week starting August 1st with a fin on it, and you can make your own, be creative, you come in, you do Touch a Shark, you're going to get $2 off the admission into Shark Week. So Greg, that's a good look for you. And among other things that they're going to be doing here for Shark Week, they have a big Gills dance party, because there's the new mascot, Gil, and we're going to have lots of fun, face painting, a great time to bring the kids in to the Adventure Aquarium. So guys, make sure you do it. Make sure you check out gillsclubhouse.com too, so you can see all the stuff going on here at the Adventure Aquarium. Make sure you come check it out. Always lots going on here, but for Shark Week starting August 1st, now's your time. Hot outside, maybe it rains, thunderstorms. It's always beautiful in here, guys. So come, maybe even win a backstage tour with the sharks. You can do that too.
Looks like a lot of fun. No scary sharks there. All right, thank you, Tim.
Conga.
Oh, stop. No, really, stop.